first rally of Mr. Sachin Pilot today in Sikar, and here the candidate is a left candidate to which the Congress has lent support. But the big number of people here, rooting for Sachin Pilot, showing that Mr. Pilot remains as popular he has, especially amongst the youth. आपको लगता है कि जो युवा नेता हैं उसमें सचिन पायलट की जो लोकप्रियता भी बरकरार है यूथ के बीच में राजस्थान में?
यूथ का बहुत ही सचिन पायलट के प्रति अग्रेसिव है। सचिन यहाँ से अमर राम जी अब की बार 100% जीतेंगे।
जब तक तो आलाकमान का अधिकार था, अब करेगी, प्रोजेक्ट करेगी, देर नहीं हुई, अभी काफी टाइम है, आगे प्रोजेक्ट करेगी।
Rajasthan is a key state in these Lok Sabha elections with 25 seats at stake, and the BJP has swept Rajasthan both in 2014 and 2019 elections, winning all the 25 seats. Today we are travelling with arguably the most popular leader of the Congress party in Rajasthan, Mr. Sachin Pilot, the former chief of the Congress party in Rajasthan, the former deputy chief minister also, and we are travelling with him from Delhi today to 4 of his rallies. We'll spend the entire day with Mr. Sachin Pilot. He's now in Sikar at his first rally. From here he's going to Alwar, to Jhunjhunu and to Jaipur rural. These seats in the Shekhawati region of Rajasthan, the Jat specific region, and these are the region also which the BJP and is hoping to get retained, but the Congress is hoping this time it can snatch some seats from the BJP this time. We'll try and seek answers from Mr. Sachin Pilot on what he thinks is the party's strategy for the first time to win some seats in Rajasthan and break its jinx of the 2014 and the 2019 Lok Sabha elections.
Sachin Pilot, Sachin Pilot, Sachin Pilot. Sachin Pilot, Pilot Party.
We are in Jhunjhunu on the second rally of Mr. Sachin Pilot today in Rajasthan, and this is the Shekhawati region, where in Jhunjhunu was a fortress for the Congress party, which Mr. Sisram Ola, being the 5-time MP from this seat, his son Bajendra Ola is now the MLA candidate. He was former minister in the Rajasthan government, has been a former MLA from here, and now is contesting again as a candidate from here. But for the last 2 terms, the BJP has been winning this seat. Traveling with Mr. Sachin Pilot, and we are now in Jhunjhunu, a Congress citadel in the past, and with a group of youth who have come to listen to Mr. Sachin Pilot here. तो जो युवा है राजस्थान का, वो क्या चाहता है? नौकरी चाहता है? क्या चाहता है? आपको लोग क्या मांग है युवा की राजस्थान?
सचिन पायलट 57 में
सचिन पायलट चाहिए। क्या होगा उससे?
आपने यहाँ से विधायक
हीरा है देश का।
वो 29 साल
कांग्रेस क्यों नहीं बनाती और मुख्यमंत्री उन्हें?
वो कांग्रेस की समझ है।
पिछली दोनों लोकसभा में कांग्रेस एक भी सीट नहीं जीत पाई राजस्थान में, 14 में भी 19 में भी। क्यों हुआ और आगे क्या होने वाला?
अब की बार सचिन का जलवा है, 10+ सीटें आएंगी कांग्रेस की, जिसमें झुन्नू एक कंफर्म सीट है सचिन पायलट के कारण।
क्या नौकरी भी एक बड़ा मुद्दा है? नौकरी ना मिलना यूथ को, आपको लगता है बड़ा मुद्दा?
सबसे बड़ा मुद्दा नौकरी वाला है, बेरोजगारी कर दिया, अग्निवीर लागू कर दिया, इसलिए सबसे बड़ा मुद्दा यही है।
जी, आपको भी ये लगता है?
हाँ, ये लगता है मेरे को भी।
नौकरी नहीं मिलती है सरकार में, सरकारी नौकरी नहीं मिलती।
हाँ, सरकारी नौकरी मिलनी चाहिए।
कर दिया प्लेट, वो रेलवे बंद कर दिया, एयरपोर्ट बंद कर दिया, सभी को बेच दिया।
Modi is speaking about 370 for BJP, up ki baar 400 par. For the BJP, this seems an election which is done and dusted. What do you think of the country chances of the Congress?
I think there are 2 things. One is that there seems to be complacency. Second, I think there is also a bravado in their rhetoric of 300 par, 400 par. Because if the BJP was so confident of getting 300, 400 seats, why would they want to break the opposition, take Congress leaders and give them tickets to fight?
When you speak, interesting to speak about Balakot factor in 2019. Now we see statements from the Prime Minister. In fact, Mr. Rajnath Singh in an exclusive interview to CNN News 18 said that हम पाकिस्तान में घुस के मारेंगे, टेररिस्ट अगर यहाँ टेररिस्ट एक्ट करेगा हम पाकिस्तान में घुस के मारेंगे. There is a Guardian article which speaks about India eliminating close to 20 terrorists in Pakistan through covert operations.
Look, Aman, anything that India as a country does to safeguard its borders to take action against anybody who is anti-national, whether within India or outside India. Not just I, my party, entire country supports that action. That action is always in the interest of India as a country, our sovereignty, our integrity, our internal security. That's above elections, that's above party politics, that's above BJP in Congress.
I mean, you're supporting that the point that India is carrying out strikes in Pakistan against
I
terrorists?
am supporting the point that anything we do as a nation which involves our internal security, securing our borders, the attitude now is that the Vipaksh ko khatam kar do. Finish Congress, finish opposition. That's not the right way to think. In a healthy democracy, the opposition is almost as important as the government.
Coming back to Rajasthan, Sachin, we don't see Mr. Ashok Gehlot contesting. We don't see you contesting. In other states, Mr. Digvijay Singh has taken the plunge. Bhupesh Baghel has taken the plunge. You are in charge of Chhattisgarh, in fact, also. Why are you not contesting the election? Why the former CM, not contesting the election?
Everybody in the Congress is given specific tasks. Whatever responsibility I've been given, I'm discharging. I'm campaigning in Rajasthan today. Next phase, I'll be campaigning in Chhattisgarh. I'm going to Kashmir. I'm going to Maharashtra. So I'm campaigning for the party. किसको क्या करना है, that's decided by the leadership in the AICC.
Recent rally which we were here right now, and some youth there, who are not Gujjar youth, I must tell you, because Gujjar youth always tend to speak for Mr. Pilot. But these youth say that maybe in 2023, if you had been projected as the chief ministerial face, the story may have been different for the Congress.
अब छोड़ो, बात सब पुरानी हो गई है. There's no point talking about what could have happened. What has gone is gone.
I love you, Sachin Pilot. This is the slogan you hear from some excited youngsters here at Sachin Pilot's rally. This is his third rally for the day, and we are now in Jaipur rural seat, a seat which was won 2 times by BJP's Rajyavardhan Rathod before he became MLA a few months back, and now this seat is going to Lok Sabha elections. Just a couple of days back, the campaign committee list of the Congress had come out, in which the ex-chief minister, Mr. Ashok Gehlot, became the campaign committee chief, with Sachin Pilot just a member of the committee. But when you travel along with him in these parts of Shekhawati, you realize that the maximum demand for a campaigner in the Congress camp in Rajasthan is for Mr. Sachin Pilot. तो इस बार इलेक्शन में कांग्रेस कभी भी लोकसभा में सीट नहीं जीत पाती राजस्थान में. पिछली बार 2 बार से कोई सीट नहीं जीत पाई. आपको लगता है इस बार कुछ बदल सकता है? सचिन पायलट जी यहाँ स्टेज पे हैं, क्या लगता है आपको?
इस बार बदलेगी सीट, बदलेगी क्या, हम बदला के रहेंगे.
हमारे यहाँ उतर चुका है.
One sight that you see whenever Sachin Pilot's chopper lands, as it just did in Kishangarh in Alwar, is this huge rush of people literally mobbing him for selfies to meet him. The man still has that craze amongst especially the youngsters. तो सचिन पायलट जब आते हैं, इतना भीड़ हो जाता है, लोग फोटो खिंचा रहे हैं, तो इतना पॉपुलर है क्या पायलट अभी भी?
बिल्कुल सर, राजस्थान की जनता के लिए और खासकर युवाओं के लिए इतना पॉपुलर है कि सचिन पायलट को देखने के लिए यहाँ पे हजारों की संख्या में लोग 2 बजे से ही समथिंग डटे हुए हैं, और अब समथिंग 4 बज रहे हैं, पर ये भीड़ कम नहीं हो रही, ज़्यादा हो रही है.
और यहाँ पे आपको लगता है लोकसभा में कभी भी कोई सीट कांग्रेस जीती नहीं? तो पिछले 2 लोकसभा में 14 में भी नहीं जीती, 19 में भी नहीं जीती, अब तो इलेक्शन स्टेट में भी हार गई. तो इस बार क्या उम्मीद लग रही है आपको? कोई उम्मीद लगती है?
इस बार उम्मीद ये है कि अब की बार 2 चांस उन्होंने अलवर को देख लिया. बाहरी नेताओं ने 2 बार यानी कि 10 साल लगभग अलवर को डुबोया है. विकास का एक पैसा अलवर में नहीं लगाया है, और एक युवा आवाज होने के नाते आज सब लोग उनसे जुड़ना चाहते हैं, सब लोग उनको जिताना चाहते हैं और बाहरी को भगाना चाहते हैं. देश बचाओ, बाहरी बचाओ.
So as we wind up a full day with Mr. Sachin Pilot on his campaign trail in Rajasthan, so Sachin, I would ask you 3-4 rapid fire questions. How many seats in Rajasthan for Congress? What is your number?
More than BJP.
More than BJP. And 4 seats you've campaigned today. Which seat do you think is the most solid for you?
All 4 we are going to win.
And Sachin, do you believe in destiny?
Who does not believe in destiny?
Rahul Gandhi or Priyanka Gandhi, your favorite leader?
They both are working very hard, and I think their efforts will bear fruits. I think he's giving it all he's got. Priyanka ji is campaigning. Even Mrs. Gandhi was in Jaipur campaigning in a rally. So everyone is putting their best efforts.
That is Mr. Sachin Pilot saying he does believe in destiny. And what does Sachin Pilot have in store for him in next? We will only know in a few years. But right now, spending this day with Sachin Pilot in Rajasthan, and we can see the craze for Mr. Pilot and this slogan, which we heard on every rally. Sachin Pilot, I love you. This is the craze for Pilot amongst the youth, though he's just an MLA from Tonk. Zaman Sharma with Narendra for CNN News 18.